Xiaomi has expanded its Mi TV 4C lineup with the launch of the new 50-inch 4K HDR TV model in China. The new Mi TV 4C 50-inch model will go on sale in the Chinese market starting Tuesday, April 3 with a price tag of 2,199 Chinese yuan, approximately Rs 22,700. The latest model sits between the 43-inch and 55-inch Mi TV 4C models that both were launched in October last year with 1GB and 2GB RAM options and 8GB of internal storage. Details about the price and availability of the new Mi TV 4C model in markets other than China are yet to reveal. The Mi TV 4C 50-inch model features a 4K display panel with 3840x2160 pixel resolution, 178-degree viewing angle, and 9.5 milliseconds dynamic response rate. The TV is powered by a 1.5 GHz quad-core Amlogic Cortex-A53 SoC, coupled with 750 MHz Mali 450 GPU and 2GB of RAM. It also has 8GB of onboard storage. Similar to the 43 and 55-inch models, the 50-inch version has Android-based PatchWall interface that enables artificial intelligence, AI-based curated content delivery and features such as speech recognition and unified search. In terms of connectivity, the Mi TV 4C 50-inch model includes dual-band, 2.4 GHz/5 GHz, Wi-Fi 802.11 AC and Bluetooth V4.2 LE alongside 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, AV output, and an Ethernet port. The TV supports formats such as HDR10, H.264, H.265, Real, MPEG-1/2/4, WMV3, and VC1. Furthermore, the new Mi TV 4C has two 8W speakers that support Dolby Audio/DTS HD audio dual decoding and comes with a Mi remote control that enables gesture and voice controls. Last week, Xiaomi launched the Mi TV 4s with a 55-inch 4K HDR display. That model debuted in China at 2,999 Chinese yuan, approximately Rs 31,100, and has a 55-inch, 3840x2160 pixels, 4K display with direct type backlight, 178-degree viewing angle, refresh rate of 60 Hz, and 8 milliseconds dynamic response rate.